All right, so let's cut to the chase. The two things that you really want from a robotic vacuum cleaner is going to be a deep clean and also strong suction power. And you want both of these to be long lasting. And this eufy Omni S2 has been giving me that so far in my testing. And I have partnered with eufy for this video. But with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing about a vacuum cleaner that you want to know about is probably how is the vacuuming, right? So this thing does have 30,000 pascals of suction power. And this gives you that confidence to know that this thing will be able to pick up most things around your place that will be on your floor, whether it's just dirt and mud from your boots or just cereal that the kids dropped on the ground, or maybe sometimes I actually drop on the ground too. And this is in combination with their multi-cone cyclone technology and the 100 air watts of suction power. So this is going to give you that air pressure by the motor to really be very strong and also increase the airflow rate, and that will help that suction power stay consistent. And the multi-cone cyclone technology will help the filter from getting clogged up with debris and stuff like that. So your filter, you want to remain as clean and as open as possible, and that allows this suction power to really remain consistent for a very long time, actually up to like 365 days when compared to other vacuum cleaners that might be around like 30 days or so. And this makes this the only vacuum cleaner to apply this type of technology to itself. And this suction power translates well on a hardwood floor and also on carpet. And I don't have a lot of thick carpets in my place, but this can handle thick carpets with up to like 2 inches of pile on top of them. So just that overall thickness of your carpet should be just fine for this. And this is smart too, because if you do have carpet that does have tassels on like 2 of the sides, but then the other 2 sides don't have any tassels, it is smart enough to know that it needs to go to that other side without tassels before it starts cleaning your carpet. And it can also lift itself up to be able to tackle some of those thicker carpets and stuff like that. And also if you do have different areas on your floor that might have like a little step up or something, it can climb up to 1.65 inches to reach those different places. And this S2 can also stretch out a little bit with this side brush to be able to reach those hard to reach places like your corners and stuff in your room. And actually it can go ahead and spin and kind of spin that stuff and dirt and debris towards the front of the vacuum cleaner. So now it can roll over it and just suction all of that stuff up. So that is very, very convenient and really good for expert level cleaning in your place. Now, I don't have long hair. I used to have an afro in high school. I know you want to see those pictures, but I'm not going to show you. But yeah, anyway, if you do have long hair, or you might have a pet or an animal that's going to be shedding and stuff, this thing is going to be really good at picking up those long strands of hair that might typically get caught up in other vacuuming systems. This one is going to be very less likely to happen because of the dual zero tangling system that this does have. And so basically on the bottom of this, you'll find these brushes that use a rubber brush and also integrated bristles, and these will work together to push the hair and other things like that through the vacuuming system and into the dustbin to be discarded later. Now, speaking of pets, let's talk about how this thing can handle getting liquids up off of your floor, whether it's because your pet had a little happy accident or you spilled a drink or something like that. Well, this thing does have a really good intelligent mopping system, and the official name for this is the HydroJet 2.0 system, but the star of this is the roller mop that can actually apply up to 15 newtons of downward pressure. So this will simulate you actually getting on your hands and knees and using your hands to apply pressure to clean up a mess. Well, this roller mop can do that for you, and this is going to be really good for sticky messes and stuff. And just like the side brush that I talked about earlier, this roller mop can actually extend out a little bit to reach certain places and make sure it can get into those corners and stuff. But it would be nice for this to actually extend out a little bit more. I have used some other robotic vacuum cleaners where this is actually able to reach out further, and that just makes it a little bit more efficient. But the way it is now still is going to be pretty good. But one of the things that is going to be more impressive than what I've used in the past on other systems is just the self-cleaning system that this does have for the roller mop itself. And so this has 32 individual water holes, and these will be pushing out water on the roller mop as it's cleaning your floors. And this is combined with the dual scrapers that will be physically touching the mop to be able to get some of that dirt and grime and stuff off of the mop head. And then all of this will actually be sent to the dirty water tank that's on board on the vacuum cleaner to make sure your mop head stays clean, just in case it goes over some, dog urine or anything like that, and it's not going to be spreading that bacteria and stuff around your place. And so this helps with efficiency, but also cleanliness, and also prevents this from having to go back to the base station and continuously clean the roller mop head. And if it had to do that, that would just extend the time that you need to have this thing running. Oh, and I just noticed I haven't talked about the base station, because not only is this one of the coolest looking base stations for a robotic vacuum cleaner that I've used, but also it's very efficient too. So this is a 12-in-1 uni-clean system is what they call it. And this is really meant to take a lot of the work out of keeping this thing maintained. So when the vacuum cleaner does dock into this, it will automatically empty out the dust bin that's on the vacuum cleaner into the base station, and the base station can store up to 68 days worth of dust and stuff, so that's nice. And this also will initiate a deeper, thorough cleaning of the roller mop, and it can use up to 140°F hot water to do this, and also it does dry the mop as well, and the hot air that it uses for that can get up to 131°F. And the base station will automatically refill the vacuum with clean water that you do add to the base station yourself. You just take out this container, take it over to your sink, fill it up with some water, and then you put it back. And there also will be a dirty water tank as well that you'll empty out as needed. And what you're seeing with these bubbles and stuff is actually the base station electrolyzing the water to be able to help with sterilization. And it's pretty cool just to be able to see that in action. And inside of the box, they did include some hard floor cleaner that just pops right into the base station, and that will be automatically added to the vacuum cleaner, so it'll be able to help disinfect the floor. And then also the dust bag itself comes in at 2.5 liters. And again, you can go ahead and take that out when it's time and then replace that with another one. Oh, and I do like this screen here on the base station that keeps you updated when it is doing things like drying the mop and stuff like that. So I like the visual representation, and also you do get some LCD touch controls to be able to interact and initiate things as well on this. And also on the vacuum cleaner itself, you do have some touch controls that you can utilize to be able to tell it to go home or stuff. And now design really isn't all that important when it comes to a vacuum cleaner, but I do like how this one does look premium. It does look really nice with this protective cover that you can take off to be able to do things like maintenance and stuff like that. But I like that it's like semi-transparent. And you can also see this cleaning tornado is what they're calling it. So you can see this thing kind of spinning, and it just looks really cool when this thing is going around doing its job. And let me mention this again, I really do like the built-in fragrance dispenser on this thing. It just adds another extra level of cleanliness as far as like the smell in your place. And so you do have 3 different fragrances that you can get. And so you have citrus and basil, which personally is my favorite, but you also do have bamboo and sage. And I know I'm gonna mess this up, so don't blame me, but you have like bergamot and lychee, you know, correct me if I'm wrong, but anyway, you have these 3 scents that you can choose from. But the good thing is that they do last a long time. And that's because each one of these capsules can work for up to 120 hours. So while it's inside of the vacuum and the vacuum is going around and it's spraying, it can do that for up to 120 hours before you need to replace it. Now, just like other eufy products, this is also very easy to use and stuff. So you set this up using the eufy app, and the initial time of you using it, this will create a 3D map of your place. So it'll go around mapping it out. And then now after the fact, you can go around and kind of fine tune that map. You know, it's not going to be 100% perfect. So you can go in and kind of change things. And you can also set this for multiple floors in your house. And also you can give it different restrictions. You can say, hey, I don't want you to clean the carpet, but I just want you to go ahead and do the mopping. Or you don't have to worry about when you do leave your shoes or socks or maybe your kids' toys on the ground, because this does have its Clean Mind AI to be able to detect over 200 plus different obstacles and items and things, and help this be able to navigate around all of that. And this also works with platforms like Matter and also your Apple Watch and Google and also Alexa. So you'll be able to actually just talk to it using another device to be able to give it instructions. All right, so I think that's about it. So there's a lot this thing can do, and I know I didn't cover everything, but I'll drop a link down below in the description of this video. So it will take you to eufy's website. You can see 100% of the information about this. But yeah, this thing is really good. It's a premium robotic vacuum cleaner that can just really do a lot in some things that you don't find in others. So I'm pretty happy with it so far. And this does have a normal price tag of $1,599. But again, check out that link below for the latest pricing and deals that might be going on. And I also want to help you save some money. So I do have a limited time discount code in the description of this video. And when you use that, you will get $250 off of this vacuum, and also a gift that is worth $307. So definitely make sure you do take advantage of that. So right now, I do want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.